Hello po, Cancer. Welcome po sa inyong reading. So, Cancer, this is for July the 8th to July the 10th reading. So, para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button. Smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. So, kung gusto nyo po ng dalawang reading po sa akin, mag-subscribe po kayo doon sa ating kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. So yan po ang ating unang channel na catered for our international audience. No? At nagla-live din po ako doon sa ating unang channel. Yan. So I want you to know, Cancer, that this is a general reading. You may resonate with the entire reading, or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. So, Cancer, magsimula na tayo, no? Parang meron tayo ditong, kumbaga, hindi inaasahang pangyayari, no? Cancer, bigla-biglaan, parang biglang nag-pause, no? Itong ating connection. Kumbaga, sabihin natin, ang taas ng expectation natin, no? Dito sa connection na ito, it runs smoothly din, no? Then suddenly, bigla na lang siyang nag-iba, no? Parang kahapon lang ang okay-okay. Tapos, paggising mo, parang hindi ito yung relasyon na naaalala ko, no? Uh, hindi mo man hinahanap, no? Yung parang sinasabi nating sagot, hindi mo man siya um, pilit kasing inaarok natin, no? So the more na nagse-search tayo ng sagot, the more na hindi natin nakikita. I think siguro gulong-gulo din yung isip natin, no? Pero those answers are going to be, parang sabihin natin, downloaded, presented, no? At makikita mo right after ng sabihin natin tayo'y nagpahinga sa kakasingit, sa kakaisip, or kakasingit nitong mga negative thinking na nasa utak natin. So I feel like with Amber in here, you know what? I feel like these are all the memories of your connection. So there's already a separation, no, between you and your person. And I feel like nandun na tayo, medyo malapit na tayo sa sinasabi natin, I am somehow, no, slightly letting go of all of this. It could be the negative thinking, it could be the worries, or the person itself, or the connection. The separations, you can be physical or energetic, by the way. So parang pagod na tayo, no? With the King of Cups, so parang hindi mo rin naman kasi either naririnig, no? Kay person yung dahilan ng biglaang pagbabago, no? Biglaang pag sabihin natin pause nitong connection. Cancer, I feel like medyo tuliro tayo, no? Nitong mga nakaraang araw. Kulang tayo sa pahinga, no? Or either hindi tayo makatulog kasi lagi nating naiisip itong separations na to. With the Five of Cups and the Ace of Pentacles, ang dami mong plano, ang dami mong naiisip na magaganda, of course, sa connection. Pero parang sinabi mo, paano ko gagawin kung wala yung person? I think things changed abruptly. Parang ura-urada, kailangan mo ring baguhin yung routine mo, no? Ang mahirap kasi dyan, kung sakaling tayo'y nag-aaral, or pumapasok sa trabaho, 'no? Ah, Late na nga tayo nakakatulog, siyempre meron tayong pang-araw-araw na ginagawa na hindi natin kailangang ipagsawalang-bahala, ta's dumagdag pa 'to. So, kumbaga parang yung isang buong araw kulang, ano, um, not necessarily kailangan mong kumilos, 'no? But the mere fact na nauubos yung oras natin kaiisip, 'no? It's really affecting, the separation really affects your daily life, no? Clarifying all of a sudden with the Fool card and the King of Swords. So parang yun nangyayari sa buhay natin ngayon. Parang feeling mo we are being tested, no? Tinitignan yata siguro kung gaano tayo katatag. Kasi hindi mo ba alam yung mga sagot, kung bakit nangyari. Medyo somehow, no? Iniisip na lang natin na those answers are going to just pop up. Um, Kasi parang sa'yo, ang sakit, ang bigat-bigat sa ulo, no? Ang bigat sa ulo na hindi ko na kayang arukin yung rason, either hindi ito na ibigay ni person, or you're probably still searching for, kunyari meron siyang sinabi na ito yung dahilan bakit, kung meron man sinabi, na parang hindi ka rin naniniwala. Uh, let's check here the flight. Are you really letting go of the connection, or just this cloudiness in your mind? The Empress, uy, medyo, and the Five of Pentacles. Medyo napapabayaan natin ang sarili natin, ha? Um, it felt like there's also a lot of changes sa itsura natin. Baka medyo nag-dry ang balat. The Empress shows up in reverse, so this is not a good indication when it comes to our how we present ourselves, no? Things are becoming obvious, baka nagkaka-eye bags, it's becoming obvious kasi hindi nga nakakatulog. Let's check the Emperor, Page of Pentacles in an upright position, and then the Emperor in reverse. The Emperor and the Empress in reverse. Huh. So it kind of make me feel that even your decision makings are being affected. Baka yung trabaho natin medyo naaapektuhan na rin talaga. So Five of Cups, the Queen of Pentacles, hindi siya reversed, hindi rin siya in upright. So parang on a swing siya. Wag lang. Four of Spades. Almost in a direction of upright position. I think that we are being disaligned with what is happening to us. I think that the message here is more of, since ganito na nga yung nangyayari sa situation when it comes to love life, no? Medyo sabihin nating rock bottom, no? Hahayaan pa ba nating maapektuhan either ang trabaho o ang pag-aaral, kasi it makes me feel it's either paayos ka na or you're still in a shaky situation. The Four of Spades is your foundation, no? And it felt like somewhat it is inclined. Well, kung paayos ka na, that's good, no? Pero this is not the position of a very stable foundation. the Queen of Pentacles, and it kind of make me feel like baka nakaka-absent tayo, no, sa work, medyo nababawasan itong sahod natin. Um, well, our mental health is also important. So, if that's actually that, you being absent is worth the para mapahinga yung isip natin, no? I think that's good. Pero when it comes to hindi naman natin nasosolusyonan, I think that might have a bad effect in our life, no? In our finances, sa bulsa natin. Kung school naman ito, um, medyo na wawala tayo sa focus, no? I feel like with the Emperor, you might going to have a little trouble in this 8 to 10 because of the swings, mood swings, no, emotional disorientation. Uh, I'm just praying for you to be healed, no. Uh, so this is your reading, Cancer. For those of you who's new to the channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po yung nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live session, sa kabilang channel po yan, that is Babaylan TV. No? Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. At nagla-live din po tayo doon. So, take advantage of it. No? Cancer, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa comment section as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. And kung hindi naman po kayo nasa-satisfy sa yes or no na sagot lang, no? Sa description box po, there is a link. Now, all you have to do is to either copy the link or click the link. You're gonna be routed to my website, no? Nandun po yung information, how to ask a question, how much per question, mode of payment, and the QR codes. I also created a 4 question plus 1. So that's actually a discounted price, no? And kung gusto nyo rin po mag-avail ng ating private reading, doon po yan sa ating description box sa website, no? So love and light to you. Namaste. See you po, no? Sa susunod na reading. Goodbye po, Cancer.